How to delete your TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will show you the way on how you can easily delete your TikTok account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. So if you want to delete your TikTok account, it is very simple. First of all, just make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the TikTok application, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. In order to delete our account, first of all, you have to come to your profile page from the bottom right corner and then tap on the three lines which you see on the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, at the bottom of the screen you'll find the option called Settings and Privacy. So just go to Settings and Privacy. As you do that, at the very top you have the option called Account. So just go ahead and tap on Accounts. As you tap on Account, at the bottom you'll find another option that says Deactivate or Delete Account. So tap on the Delete Account option. Now it will ask us to actually deactivate it, but we're going to just delete it by tapping on the Delete Account Permanently button at the bottom. Once you tap on Delete Account, it will ask us why we are leaving TikTok, but we can also skip this process by tapping on the Skip button, which you see on the top right hand side. As you tap on the Skip button over here, you can see it will ask me to download my data, which I won't do, by the way. So I'll just agree to the terms and conditions, and I'll tap on the Continue button in order to begin deleting my account. And this is the final confirmation over here. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days, which means that before it is permanently deleted, it is going to remain deactivated. And within that 30 days period of time, if you do not log back into your account, you will not be able to gain access to your account. So in order to confirm it, tap on the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. As soon as you tap on the Continue button, the final step is to enter a password, and after you enter your password, you have to tap on the Delete Account button in order to confirm the deletion of your TikTok account. And this is how you can permanently delete our TikTok account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries as well, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.